Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a summery all day makeup routine. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, so summer is just around the corner and I want to show my favorite type of look that is fresh and glowy and like not minimal makeup, but kind of. I'm gonna go over all of the products, how I'm putting it all, and yeah, we're just gonna go jump right in. To start off, I have very dry skin, so I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer. This is really, really good for those people, including myself, that have extremely dry face. So I'm just gonna put this and massage this in. It smells so good. I love the smell. I did already do my brows just because nothing ever changes, and it's kind of like once you put it onto your face, it's not sticky, but it has like a consistency that you can tell that your makeup is really going to be like in it. Now I'm not going to be doing a ton of foundation today, so I'm going to start it off with a little bit of color correcting. I'm going to be using this pink color here just to get rid of some of these blue tones here. Going in just a little bit here, and I'm going to correct this here, just coloring my veins. Alright, going into foundation. Now since it's summer, you're going to be outside, you definitely need some SPF. So one of my favorites is this. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and it has SPF of 30. So perfect for protecting your face. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. So I'm also going to add a little bit of my strobe cream from MAC. So I'm just going to put a little bit in this. That might have been a little bit too much, but that's okay. Just gonna kind of mix it around with my finger. All right, so here's the consistency. So I'm just gonna put this around my face. And remember, this is a tinted moisturizer, so it's not very pigmented. So if you're looking for something that has high pigmentation, then this is probably not gonna be what you're looking for, but for me it is. Taking a beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend this in. So you guys can see it is very dewy and just absolutely perfect if you're looking for a dewy summer look. I also wanted to let you know I am wearing my wig from my last video, so if you guys have not seen the video, go check it out. I'll put this up here for you guys. This is my favorite wig as of right now. Alright, so here is the foundation and the product I used to make it, and I just absolutely love how dewy and fresh it looks on my skin, and it covers enough to make my face look smooth, where you're not seeing a bunch of different discoloration on my face, so I absolutely love it. Going into concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to use just a little bit just to brighten up and then cover all my veins on my forehead. Not my forehead, my lids here. I have such veiny lids that I like really need to cover. And just blending it with a dirty sponge. All right, to set, I'm gonna use this. All right, going on for my bronzer, I want to use something that is very glowy, just like we've done with the skin. So I'm using my Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. It looks like this. All right, going in. And just it gives such a nice glow with the skin, with everything else that we already have that's nice and glowy. And it's just absolutely perfect for summer or all year round. All right, going into the Giorgio Armani Glow, and I'm just gonna put this on my brush to really blend that in, and I'm gonna put it on my highlights of my mouth, I just said, and just put it on the highlights up here, and look at that. Ooh. It is so incredibly glowy. So incredibly glowy. And I like to really blend that in and like basically put it everywhere. And just a little bit goes a long way. Like it's still on my brush and it's still putting it all over my face. So I'm gonna go into my sponge just to make sure it's all blended together. For blush, I'm going to go into my Orgasm by NARS. I thought this was going to be a beautiful color. It also kind of matches my shirt. So we'll just go right here. It's beautiful. Once you're putting it in, it like blends together with the highlighter that's there. Oh, it is so pretty. Can you see that? I don't even think you can really see it in the camera very well. Oh, it is perfect. Like, look at the difference without it, with it, without it, with it, without it, with it, without it, with it. All right, so for the eyeshadows, we're gonna go for this. This is from ColourPop. This is 1 by 1, and I'm just gonna put it right on my lid. Alright, so the color is just not as pigmented as I wanted. I think the color that I have is just too old. So I'm going to go into this on top of this. This is the Morphe like original, I'm not sure which one it is. Oh, the 350. And I'm just going to use this color right here. I'm going to put that on that. Yeah, that one works. And then I'm just gonna take a brush and just blend that in. All right, putting a little bit of a color. I'm gonna use this color right here, and we're just gonna blend that in the crease. All right, eyes are done. I'm just gonna put some mascara on and then some lashes on, and then I will be right back. All right, so I decided not to put lashes on because my eyelashes were deciding to cooperate today, so they actually look pretty good. So last but not least, I'm gonna put just some gloss just because I don't need lipstick or anything like that, because it's summer. We just want glowy things. So I'm just gonna put this. This is the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Polish, and the color is Celeste, I think. And I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna do a little bit of spraying. This is the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face, and I'm just gonna spray this. All right, and this is the finished look. I love how dewy it is. I love that it has SPF in it. I think the foundation is so perfect for summer if you don't want a full cakey face when you're going to be outside, you're going to be sweating, things like that. I don't personally like full coverage foundation, so this foundation is absolutely perfect for summer. I think it keeps onto the skin really, really well. I love the dewiness of everything. I will put all of the links down below for all of y'all, so yeah, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see next. Ryan and I are thinking about doing like a Q&A kind of thing, so let me know if you guys would like to see something like that, and I could put some questions and stuff on Instagram. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.